Hello, my name is Valerie, and in today's video, I want to share with you some tips that will help you to overcome fear. So by definition, fear is a distressing emotion that's aroused by impending danger, pain, whether the threat is real or imagined. So today I decided that I was going to step out of my comfort zone and face my fear. And I had a fear of doing videos. So right now, today is actually my first video, and I'm very, very uncomfortable. I'm outside of my comfort zone, but I decided I was going to go ahead and do this video and to step out of my comfort zone and to face my own fears. So step number one, you want to face the truth about the thing that you're most afraid of and face it head on. So you want to be transparent about your own fear. And as I stated, my fear is of doing videos because I feel as though I'm not good enough, and people may not want to hear what I have to say. So that is one thing that's has kept me stuck for a while because I was afraid to face doing videos. Also, the thought of doing a video, it would begin to mess with my confidence, and it kept me from accomplishing my goals. So I decided today I was going to do this video, and if it sucks, again, I made the decision that I was going to suck at it and be seen. So step number two, you want to ask yourself, what are you missing out on because of your fear? Is your fear keeping you from reaching or accomplishing your goals? Is it keeping you stuck or stagnant in your business? Step number three, you want to erase your negative thoughts. You want to say and repeat daily affirmations or biblical scriptures until you believe those affirmations, you believe those scriptures, you believe that you have the confidence, you believe that you have the knowledge, that you're more than capable, you're well able to accomplish whatever goal it is or whatever goal it is that you want to accomplish. And you want to place those affirmations or scriptures around your home so that you can see them. Tip number four, you want to relax. You want to embrace changes, even if it's uncomfortable. And trust me, right now I am really, really shaking. This is very, very uncomfortable for me. You want to believe in your talents and abilities. And you want to have a mindset of, I can do it. I am good enough. So again, I've decided today that this is what I was going to do. I was going to face my fear. I am good enough and I can do it. So let's recap on those tips again. You want to make sure when you're overcoming your fears, you want to face the truth about the thing that you're most afraid of and face it head on. Tip number two, you want to ask yourself, what are you missing out on? Number three, you want to erase your negative thoughts. And number four, you want to relax. You want to embrace your changes even though it is uncomfortable. And I want to leave you with this quote. Thinking will not overcome fear, but action will. So today, I want you to take action. I want to challenge you to face your fears so that you can achieve your goals. Again, my name is Valerie, and if you receive some value from this video, I'd like for you to share it out. Also, if you are looking to, or you've always had a desire to start a business, but you were afraid to step out and act on it, click the link. I would like for you to click the link in the description box and see my number one source of income for my online business. And with that being said, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for sharing it, and I will see you on my next video. Have an amazing day. Thank you. Take care now.